What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Home Gardening channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to extract pepper seeds. These are particularly purple ajica chucha, purple splotched, but I'm going to show you how I extract the seeds from peppers, which you can use pretty much the same system for almost every pepper. So this is our pod. I usually take the little green piece off with me just to take pictures and stuff like that. So I take the calyx where it's attached. I take that off, the little branch. Now you got your pod. I usually just cut them down the middle. Now, if this was a super hot or a hot pepper, you'd be wearing gloves in your hands, and you probably would be using tweezers. And I'll show you guys how to do that, how I do that with one of these. So there's the seeds. They're separated into two pieces. So what I do usually is, with these peppers, I just cut out the center where the placenta is on the pepper. See that whole entire thing's got a bunch of seeds attached. And I just kind of let that go into a paper plate. And I use paper plates with their names on each pepper. And I just let that piece there dry for a couple of days. Once it's pretty dry, I'll come in and I'll take the seeds off. They'll fall right off from the placenta. Let me grab so I can show you guys better. So here is the entire that half there. So I just leave this sit. The seeds are attached to the placenta. I'll leave this sit for about 3 days, and then they'll break right off into my paper plate. And then after that, I usually let them dry for like another week or so, 10 days. So the seeds are really nice and dry. And you always want to look for seeds that are like this. They got like nice color, vibrant, and pick your pods when they're really, really ripe. The riper, the better. So then you make sure that your seeds will germinate. They'll be good quality seeds. I have the seeds for these available. We just opened an Etsy store, and I got a bunch of peppers I have to upload, but these and our family heirloom cachucha seeds are available on our Etsy store. If you guys are interested, I'll provide a link, and it's free shipping anywhere in the US. So these seeds will definitely be available through our Etsy store in about 10 days, but I already have more that are already dry. So basically you just do this, cut it, and there is the placenta with all the seeds attached. So I just leave that sit for a while until it dries. And with this, which is beautiful, I can just eat it. And this is how I kind of know what peppers are like. I try to taste all of my peppers all the time, just to see if I find anything that I really like or I don't like, so I don't go ahead and plant them. This pepper is a little bit like a bell pepper in a way. It's very crunchy, super crunchy, sweet, no floral at all, like zero. It doesn't flavor. It's not as flavorful as our heirloom cachucha peppers, but it's a beautiful pod. And it has a nice taste. It's just more like a bell pepper, sweeter with more flavor, and no floralness. All right, guys. So if you need seeds, check out the Etsy store, and I'll see you really soon on the next one.